Hey guys, so in a previous video, you know how I said, at this point I might as well just get the Quest 2. Well, I've gotten one. Yeah man, it's my 19th birthday today. I decided to treat myself with this. Let's get it open. Oh, I really hope that's just the... There. Oh, I did scratch up the box. Whatever, just... Not sure if I like that smell. Oh, that's information I need to censor. So I'm gonna slide it out like this. Wow. Ooh. I don't know what's in here, nor do I know how to open it. Oh, that's how you open it. What's in here? Oh, the charging cable. Oh, isn't that nice? We're just gonna put that back in there. Ooh, here it is, the main event itself. I swear this is a lot smaller. I feel like this is smaller. Huh. Maybe it is, I don't know. Who knows? We also got the controllers and stuff. Alright, I'm gonna go set this thing up. Hey guys. This is pretty cool. Never really used VR. Except for like twice when I had a Rift from my friend. Yeah, alright, so this is all new stuff to me. It's just pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Hi. Can I click on that? I can. Look at my little beans. You think you have better beans than me? Look at my beans.
I got better beans.
I think I have better beans.
Enzo, it's your turn.
Okay, +4.
Dear God, I don't like that.
Huh. It looks yellow.
It is not. Yeah. This is a yellow. No, it's green.
Oh.
It's a
Sorry.
green card.
My colorblind ass. We praised the Uno card. No, I want to grab this. There we go. Oh, that was a good throw. I liked that one. Well, there you have it. I spent a few hours inside this little doohickey, and I honestly really like it. No, I have not taken the L and R stickers off the controllers. I'm keeping them on. Actually, I want to see something. Will this work if I put it up to the camera? Oh my gosh, it does. You can kind of see it. This is probably giving you a fucking seizure, but... Well, there you have it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really do enjoy this new thing that I have to use. I'm probably going to use it a lot, honestly, because I think the idea of VR is really cool. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.